Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can take screenshot easily on Nothing mobile. See here, this is Nothing 4A mobile, which is the latest mobile. I just purchased this a week ago. Along with this, I also purchased 45-watt CMF by Nothing adapter. If you want those links, just check in the description. I did the unboxing. See, I'm not talking about this power button and this volume up and down button simultaneously to take the screenshot, and not even this three finger screenshot. See here, if I try to, let me unlock this first. If I try to swipe with the three finger, it is not capturing my screen or taking the screenshot of the screen. And on this Nothing mobile, there is one essential key. So I'll tell you both ways. Okay, I'll tell you both ways. For Nothing mobiles which have this essential key, and for Nothing mobiles, if you don't have that essential key, you can follow another way. The first thing, without that essential key, what you can do is click on your phone settings, Android phone settings. Then under display, you will have this option, display or special features. Actually, not display, maybe special features and gestures, then screen gesture. See here, currently three finger swipe is disabled. I need to enable this. Double power and button, so this I won't keep. Now I'll try. Okay, three finger swipe down. This will take a part of the area and I can save this, or I'll be discarding this. Okay, discard this. If I want to take the screenshot, for the full screenshot, I need to do a simple action, free flow action of the three fingers. For people who have this essential key at the right side, maybe I can open this here. So I can open this case for you to show this essential key. So this is the essential key, right? Say for example, if you're using any app, maybe YT Music. So just when you open, if I just press this for one moment, so now the screenshot is already taken. I'm just pressing on the back button here. So where does this get saved? Okay, where does this get saved? See here, there is an app called Essential, or on the app drawer just search as Essential, because this is essential key, right? This you need to open. Once you open this here, your okay, for you need to swipe up to here, right? So this is the screenshot which is just saved. So yeah, this is the screenshot what I have just taken. So in this way you can actually easily take the screenshot on Nothing mobiles.